Welcome and namaste. Let's go ahead and get started in a child's pose. So toes are touching and knees are wider than the torso. And gently rest your forehead onto the mat. And just begin to settle in, releasing any tension in the body, any tension in the mind. And today's practice is tailored around your power chakra, your solar chakra. And this is where your power comes from, and it governs the way you carry yourself within your community, within your social environment, at work or with your friends. It affects your self-confidence, your self-esteem. So when this chakra is balanced, you feel confident. And with this chakra is imbalanced, people tend to make themselves small, or the opposite side of this spectrum would be they're too identified with their ego. So we're going to work on balancing this chakra today. And begin to cultivate that ujjayi breath by pulling the inhales deep through the nose and pressing the exhales long through the nose. And go ahead and get on your hands and knees, wrists right underneath the shoulders, and knees right underneath the hips. Awesome, you guys. And on an inhale, lift the left leg back and up. And on an exhale, lift the right arm up. Sunbird. You want to flex the back foot. Your palm is facing the side as if you're about to shake someone's hand. And you're reaching the limbs away from each other. So you're reaching the leg away from the arm and the arm away from the leg, creating space in the body. One last inhale here. Now on an exhale, you're going to bring your knee to touch your elbow and round the spine. Good. Inhale, expand. Exhale, contract, knee to elbow touch. Inhale, reach it out. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale as you strengthen. Inhale, reach everything out. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, reach it out. And go ahead and lower your hand, lower your knee. Now we're gonna go straight to the other side. On an inhale, lift the right leg back and up. And on an exhale, you're gonna lift the left arm up. And you want to engage the lower abdominal muscles. You want to scoop the lower abs up and in towards your face. And you want to hug the navel towards the spine. Draw the ribs in. And keep your core engaged throughout your practice. It'll help balance you out. And it also protects the lower back. It's the front side of the body that protects the back side of the body. One last inhale, reach everything out. And on an exhale, knee to elbow touch. Inhale as you lengthen, and exhale as you strengthen. Inhale, bring it out. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, grow long. Exhale, contract. Inhale, reach everything out. Go ahead and drop your knee, drop your wrist. And we're gonna come into a plank pose, top of a push-up. Step your feet back, lift your knees. Awesome, you guys, the heels are reaching back, crown of the head is reaching forward, and you're pushing that floor away from you. One last inhale here, and on an exhale, you're gonna begin to lower down, bend the elbows, and lower all the way onto your stomach. Release the tops of the feet. Keep your elbows bent. You wanna hug the elbows in towards the midline, and as you drag the skin of your palms back, reach the heart up, lift the chest. And go ahead and look over your right shoulder as you draw the shoulder back. Good, one last inhale here. Go ahead, lower your forehead down into the mat. Good, inhale, lift the chest up. And exhale, look over the left shoulder as you slide that left shoulder back. One last inhale. Go ahead and lower the forehead down. Inhale for your cobra into the center, lift it up. And exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful, you guys. And this chakra is located in your abdominal area. And the element that is associated with this chakra is the fire element. We have temperature in our body, we have heat in our body. And the sense that is associated with this chakra is sight and light. Awesome, you guys. On an inhale, bend your knees, look in between your hands. Exhale, walk or step to the front of the mat. Good. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, sweep the arms, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, hands to heart, Anjali. Take a moment here, get centered, find your center. And set your intention for your practice. What is it that brought you here onto your yoga practice today, onto your yoga mat? What are you trying to cultivate in this practice or in your life that relates to this chakra, to your solar chakra, to your power chakra? Maybe you want to cultivate more self-confidence. And just root that intention like a seed deep within your consciousness. And keep that intention with you throughout your practice so you ingrain it in every cell in your body. On an inhale, you're going to reach the arms up and we're going to twist. You're going to reach your left arm forward and your right arm behind you and twist it. Good, you guys. Relaxing the shoulders, and you're just twisting from the upper body. So your two frontal hip bones are pointing straight forward. One last squeeze here. Inhale, reach the arms up, and exhale, twist to the other side. One last squeeze here. Inhale, bring the arms up, come back to center, and exhale, dive and fold all the way forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, sweep the arms, come to standing again, half sun salutations. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, left arm forward and twist it. Inhale, reach the arms up again. And exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale, both arms reach up, palms kiss. And exhale, dive and fold all the way forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, flat back, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the arms, rise to standing. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach the arms up again. And exhale, left arm forward and twist it. Inhale, both arms reach to the sky. Exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale, reach the arms up, palms touch. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, plant your hands, step back to plank, lower chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog, your choice. And exhale, downward facing dog. Awesome, you guys. And this time in down dog, you hover the right hand off the mat and you place it outside of your left ankle or your left shin. So you're in a down dog, but you're also twisting. Because the poses that are the twisting poses activate this power chakra, activate the fire in your belly, creating heat in your belly. One last squeeze here. Release the right hand down. Lift the left hand and place it outside of the right ankle or the right shin. The lower you lower your hand down, the more challenging this pose is going to be. One last squeeze here. And just come back to a traditional downward facing dog. And on an inhale, lift the right leg back and up. And on an exhale, place it right in between your hands. Runner's lunge. Take a moment here to get stabilized. You want to squeeze the inner thighs in towards each other. You want to engage your core. Nice long spine, lengthen the heart. When you're ready, reach the arms up, rise to crescent pose. The hips are squared, growing tall from both sides of the waist, reaching energetically through the fingertips. One last inhale, reach it. Now on an exhale, you're gonna twist. So left arm forward, right hand behind you, twisting crescent, yeah. So you wanna spread the arms away from each other, but relaxing the shoulders at the same time. Keep squeezing the inner thighs in towards each other. One last squeeze here. Now you're gonna reach your left fingertips forward and then just drop them down all the way and reach the right arm up to the sky. Awesome, you guys. Beautiful. Keep breathing. Awesome, you guys, one last squeeze here. Go ahead and lower both hands down, step back to plank, lower chaturanga. Inhale, cobra, and exhale, downward facing dog. Awesome, you guys, let's do a nice cleansing breath, lion's breath, big, nice inhale through the nose. Exhale, stick your tongue out, let it go. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, step it through, right in between your hands. Take a moment, organize yourself, stabilize yourself. When you're ready, reach your arms up, rise to your crescent. Awesome, you guys. One last inhale here. Now you're gonna twist, reaching the right arm forward and left arm behind you. And this is an excellent pose to really squeeze and detoxify and cleanse and purify. You're sweating everything out, everything that is no longer serving you in a positive way. One last squeeze here. Reach the right fingertips forward, reach, reach, reach. Drop the right fingertips down, reach the left fingertips up. And this is the only way that cartilage receives its nutrients, is when you squeeze the old fluid out, making room for new supply to come in. Like a sponge, when you wring that sponge. One last squeeze here. Lower both fingertips down, step back to plank, lower chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful, you guys. Now go ahead and come into a plank pose and then lower down into a forearm plank. So the heels are drawing back, the crown of the head is reaching forward. And we're gonna do the breath of fire here, really continuing to activate that heat, that fire in your belly. So you're gonna pump the breath through the belly, in and out through the nose, emphasizing on both the inhales and the exhales. So let's go ahead and get started. Keep going. Breath of fire. Igniting that fire in your belly. Keep going. Reminding the time. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, drop your knees, come into a child's pose. Take a moment here. Take a big, nice inhale through the nose and exhale, let it go. Awesome, you guys. Now we've used the breath, we've used the body. Now we're going to use our imagination and meditation. Go ahead and sit into a Sukhasana, cross-legged seated position, and find a comfortable seat. Maybe you even sit on a block. And just rest your hands on your knees. Nice long spine. Soften the gaze, or even close the eyes. And begin to visualize a spinning wheel right behind your navel and your abdominal area. And the color here is yellow. And imagine this wheel spinning and distributing life force, prana in your body. And the bija mantra here is Ram, R-A-M. And silently chant that mantra to yourself. As you breathe in and out through the nose, inhaling deeply and exhaling long. And if you become distracted by your thoughts, just come back to your breath, come back to your mantra. All we're doing here is strengthening our ability to focus to the mind that is still. The entire universe surrenders. Bija mantra Ram, Ram. Slowly begin to open your eyes. Place your hands outside of your knees and gently clasp your knees and come into a Shavasana, laying down on your back, your final resting pose, relaxing every muscle in your body, and do whatever you need to do to get comfortable here. You've done all the work, now just receive. Just receive the fruits of your labor. Accessing your true inherent nature, which is pure bliss. Take one last soft inhale and gently release it. And for those of you who are practicing at home, you can stay here as long as you want. And from here, we're just going to say namaste.